So to start a mobile order, I'm just going to go ahead and tap up here, and it's going to go ahead and prepare all of my items. And you can see as an example, I have 3 different categories of items. So I have scarves, t-shirts, and watches. I can select on any one of these categories. I'm just going to select scarves, for example. And we see that gives me 2 different scarves that are available to purchase. You can simply tap on one of these, and it will ask me how many I want to add to my cart. I'm going to go with a quantity of 1. Right, very straightforward. I think most people at this point understand how ordering through an app on your phone works, whether it be food or whether it be retail product. The other thing that's nice, if I want to get a bigger image, I can select on the picture, and it'll actually bring up a larger image, and I can simply hit back to get back to where I was. You can also scan barcodes. So if you wanted to, for example, allow people to utilize this app in your store, so they could walk around, build their own shopping cart, and then you could decide, maybe they put everything into a clear bag, they pay for it via credit card right on their phone, their receipt gets verified on the way out the door, and they haven't had to interact with a cashier, they haven't had to stand in line, so they're able to completely do that transaction themselves. The other option would be to have them pull everything together in a transaction, pay for it, walk up. You could then interact with them just to simply fold things, put them in bags, verify all the product that their receipt says, and verify that they're not trying to take anything else that was not paid for. But the way this works is quite simple. If you look up at my shopping cart in the top right, next to that is a camera icon. I'll just put my phone back in here. And 1 second, let me fix that. Just have a loose cable. There we go. So if I want to go ahead and scan, I can simply tap on the photo or camera icon, and I have a barcode right here. And as you can see, it picked up the barcode very quickly, and I have it tied to one of my watches. We can see it added that watch directly to the cart. So it's this Nixon Regulus here at $150, but rather than have to go in through the app and select the item, I was simply able to scan a barcode. Now, once a cart is created, you can simply go, tap the cart to check out. You can see your total, any tax, delivery options, and we'll talk about delivery in a second, and I'm simply going to check out. Now, the options you see listed here are delivery, pick up in store or curbside, and then car side delivery or table service, more related to food and beverage. As I said, the app is configurable even to the point of fully white labeling it so that you can have this say exactly what you want it to say as you walk a customer through the process. Now, I'm actually going to select delivery because I want to show you another feature, which is the delivery management system. And I'm simply going to let it find my address using my location. And that is, in fact, my address. That is my home where I'm at right now. And so I'm going to confirm and hit continue. Now it's going to go through and say, hey, here are the saved payment methods that you have. So I'm simply going to go ahead and select the one I want to use, place order. And I'm going to go ahead and enter my phone's security code. I'm just going to drag that off screen. And now it's going to manage and take care of the payment. So let me bring that back up. And as it completes the payment, what it's going to do is it's going to send me a text, an email, and it will also have a copy of the receipt in my wallet. So we can see the wallet, that's the middle icon up top here. And as you can see, my text message just went off. And that is, in fact, a receipt. But I also have receipts here within my digital wallet. So we can see this will refresh. And here is the one I'm doing now. Today's December 29th for $178. And pull that up. Actually see the selection of the items. So if I needed to verify that I was picking up my order, or if I needed to show you on my way out the door that I in fact paid for the items in my bag, everything is right here.